Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make kimchi seafood soup, updated. Start by making a clear anchovy and kelp stock on medium heat, then strain. Sauté kimchi with a spoon of gochujang and a splash of soy to boost color and depth. Add the stock back, simmer to meld flavors, then gently add mixed seafood so it cooks tenderly. Finish with scallions, sesame oil, and a squeeze of lime for brightness. Plan your ingredients before you heat the pot so the cooking process flows smoothly. Measure 2 cups of ripe kimchi and reserve kimchi juice for depth. Prepare 500 g mixed seafood and keep it cold until the final simmer to avoid overcooking. Mix gochujang with a little stock to dissolve it fully and add a pinch of sugar to tame sharp acidity. Taste and adjust with salt or soy at the end. Heat a pot and sauté chopped kimchi until edges caramelize for extra sweetness and depth. Pour in your prepared anchovy kelp stock and bring to a gentle simmer so the flavors marry. Add tofu, mushrooms, and simmer for 8 to 10 minutes before adding mixed seafood to preserve tenderness. Finish with scallions, toasted sesame oil, and a pinch of sugar if needed. Serve hot with steamed rice or glass noodles on the side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.